Okay, students. Now, today I am going to tell you about which are the chapters that you are required to study for your half yearly examination. Now, as you see in your content, in your book here, in this page, content book, the first chapter is My Family. The second will be the extended family. The third is changes in the neighborhood and school. Okay, the fourth chapter is changes in transport. The fifth will be the concept of time. Chapter number 5 will not be included now, so it would be the concept of time. Okay, then the next is chapter number 7, that is living and working together. And so total here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. There will be one more chapter that will be included, that is safety rules. Now among all this, you will have to study this particular model test paper, that is chapter number 5. After chapter number 5 that I have omitted, below that, after that only you have a model test paper. You have to study that model test paper and learn it properly. Okay, because various questions also might be there from this particular model test paper. Okay, now continuing here in your upcoming chapter wise. Now you see these question answers, you'll have to study this chapter wise, and these portions wherever you find, like suppose this, tick the correct answers. Then previous to this, in page number 10, you have fill in the blanks here where the options are given. Okay, then you have MCQ here on the top. So these various important things that are there, you need to go through, like all this. In each and every chapter you will find this kind of, in between the chapters you will find these small boxes where multiple choice question, match the correct answers, then tick the correct, then fill in the blanks will be there. Okay, the question answer part, most probably I'll be giving you selection wise. Okay, now like in chapter number 2 here, that is in page number 18, here you will find here few questions here. Like question number 1, what do we call the man and woman who are getting married? Okay, so this question is there, that has been given to you. Then question number 2. Now from here, from part B, the main questions that you need to study, what happens in a wedding ceremony? Okay, and question number 4, why do we remain in touch with our relatives? So these questions are there which I have tick mark. You'll have to study for your examination. Now going to chapter number 3. Inside the chapter, again I am telling you, whatever is there in the boxes that is given there, you'll have to study that. Tick the correct answer, match the following, fill in the blanks, MCQ, choose the correct answer, all those things. Now here, coming to chapter number 3, question answer, what does lifestyle mean? Question number 1, list any 3 things that may change in a neighborhood. Now coming to part B, question number 2. Then question number 4. Okay, coming to chapter number 4. Okay, coming to chapter number 4, which is regarding to transport system and communication and other things. Now whatever this, match the following and other things are there, you'll have to do it. Okay, where here it is pictures, but it might be that pictures would not be given to you. You'll have to do according to the names that will be given to you. Okay, and then match them or write the names of various important air transport, water transport and land transport. Okay, the next is short answers questions. What are the means of transport? Names of means of transport. Question number 1. Question number 2, A and B. Okay, then where are animals used as a means of transport? Question number 3. Then in C part you'll have to learn about write 2 sentences to describe each of the modes of transport. That is question number 2. Here is question number 2, part B. Then question number 3, which means of transport will you use for the following situation? It is omitted. You don't do this one. Not required. Give any 2 points that you should keep in mind while crossing the road. That is question number 4. And one more thing from this chapter you should understand. It is that if there is any important fill in the blanks and all here, again this choose the correct answer and all, you'll have to do it by yourself and then complete it and get it ready for your examination. Now next is this sign, this important signs. You'll have to understand and study this too. Okay, so till chapter number 4 you prepare for now. Okay, in coming up class I'll again give you the other part of the syllabus that you need to prepare for your examination.